So the Airbnb we're staying at actually offers a free breakfast, and they have some really good looking fresh fruits. We're going out for the day, and I have this new little gadget I'm excited to try. The 360 X4. We are doing the Trang boat tour. It's supposedly a 3-hour tour.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know it was 3 hours.
I said that this morning. I
thought you meant total with the hike.
No, like just this boat tour is 3 hours.
Cool. I'm excited.
So we're planning on doing Route 3. I saw on TikTok that one is the best. It takes you through a cave, a temple, and something else that's cool. I don't exactly remember, but Route 3.
A lot of cool things.
Route 3 is the way to go. Because it's rain season.
The waters are harsher. It's harder for the boats to sail in harsh water, so Route 3 is not available, unfortunately.
That's the one with the cave.
Route 2. Route 2. Yeah.
I was reading the little Sino friend that explains all of the routes, and I saw that it possibly goes through a cave.
Route 2?
Trang An is sometimes referred to as the Halong Bay on land, and I couldn't agree with this statement more. It was the perfect alternative to visit during rainy season, considering the risks of a typhoon if we opted to do the Halong Bay cruise. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its limestone cliffs, winding rivers, and hidden cave systems that you can only reach by boat. A little fun fact, a bunch of Hollywood films have actually been referenced here, such as King Kong's Skull Island. Just being here felt so special and unreal. You can't skip out on experiencing this, especially if you're staying in Hanoi. It's so worth making the day trip to come and see this natural beauty.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
This is so cool.
This is a crazy experience. I wonder if Route 3 is better or if it's just the same then.
I'm not too sure.
Oh, what is that? Why is it that color? Watch out. Oh shit.
Oh.
It's a banana flower.
I think they're just bananas.
Banana flower.
You make me bananas.
This is what it looks like as it's sprouting, but this is what it looks like when it's starting. See?
But they're dead.
I know. I'm not a florist. I don't know how to answer that.
Originally, we were supposed to be here last week, but we canceled it because there was a really bad typhoon in the area. And we weren't too sure if we were going to come back. So I rescheduled it and checked the weather this week. And I was like, you know what? I feel like we have to go see Ninh Binh if we're just going to stay in Hanoi. And I have no regrets for booking this trip. It is so beautiful here and definitely a must visit if you are here in Vietnam. What would you think of this?
Slippery.
I almost just
I
wiped
think
out.
it's slippery. That's what I think it is.
What do you think of this experience so far?
Honestly, whoa, look at these. He's carrying a flower. Or a popcorn. We paid $26 between the both of us. And it's a 3-hour excursion. We get to visit a bunch of islands and go through caves. Honestly, this is probably the best bang for your buck experience that I've ever had, to be honest. $26 and a like half-day excursion. Pretty worth it. 10 out of 10. Correction, excursion sounds very touristy. So we're gonna now, from here on out, call it experience. 10 out of 10 experience.
How can you have a bad experience here? Look at this. The views are viewing. I think we're okay. Gotta reapply sunscreen. But first, I need to wipe off the sweat. The best sunscreen ever. We've made another stop. There seems to be a lot of temples in this area. So from what I read before we got on the boat, is a lot of these places in this area are spiritual or blessed or something like that. And I think it has something to do with the history of the land and how the water or the land rose from the water. Hunger has hit. Somebody want a snacky?
Is it money only or credit card?
Cash only?
No card? Oh, I left my fanny pack in the boat.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh my god, we're gonna squish the fish. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Boat tour has ended. It's time to get some food for
That was really
me.
long.
I told you it was gonna be 3 hours. It's a long and hot boat tour, but definitely worth the experience. Gotta get some coffee first. So, coffee. Coffee has been served.
Sunlight on the sea reminds me of.
We're grabbing some pho before we head back. This beautiful restaurant next to the mountains and the lake.
Hair caught in the wind,
What are we grabbing?
like I said, you drift and fall from me.
You.
In my mind, we're playing hide and seek, guiding me while the waves silent speak.
Delish.
Still you're with me.
Yummy, yummy, yummy,
Always
yummy.
be my love. Always be my love.
Off we go.
Tiền của cháu ấy, dạ vậy cháu phải bù vào mà cái này mất 1.000 thì cháu phải bù hết vào nên là tiền này là tiền đang là
Thank you. We're back on the bike, heading to Big Dong Pagoda.
Big dong baby.
No, Big Dong.
Big dong.
Big Dong.
Big dong.
And it's about a 20-minute drive away.
I look like an egg.
Get it.
My love, my love. Better find a way.
Look at all those shit.
Better find a way.
Made it to our destination. Wow.
Echoes of your laughter. Every silence wears your mark. You are in my blood. I'm pouring.
Where are you climbing up to?
You're hiding
Secret
in the
cave.
waves you
I don't know if that's up here.
That cave. Because I'm actually Batman.
Apparently not.
always be my love.
That was so cool. I told you we were going to Bat Cave. I told you I'm Batman.
We're in the cave. I don't know if it's just me, but caves have such a distinct smell. It just smells like caves in here. Do you smell that, babe? Every time we hike something, the worst part is going down. Going up's not the problem, but going down's scarier because I'm scared I'm gonna eat shit.
Don't jinx yourself.
Water? Stay hydrated.
Oh, thank you.
So hot. You guys are from here?
No, I'm from my phone.
We're walking off the beaten trail right now, hoping we'll find something cool. It's really slippery here, so
Yeah, be careful.
or else you're gonna fall on your face.
Like Kayleen did.
No, I didn't. This is the beaten trail. I don't know if you can see, but we got the 360 going on behind me. Oh my god. Almost ate shit. Oh, these are people's houses. More stairs. Keep going.
What?
This is the way to the actual secret cave.
Look, I got bugs under my nails from stuck my legs.
We're 100 meters away from the secret cave. This man's gonna take us into the secret cave. Hello. Hello, Mr. Goat. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Just went in. Whoa. Oh, go up.
Hello. Giờ tụi chúng gì? Có tê tê, đầu mồm có đuôi, chân tê tê. Đây tê. Đây khoan một cái nhà phương vậy. Múa khế vậy. Lúc mình có nhà phương lúc bình vậy. Đây có bào vậy. Có bí. Lá. Con gái phương. Mặt cái đèn, tóc tôn đèn đây tinh gì nếp na rèn con rùa, đầu mồm mắt người con rùa này. Bamboo.
Bamboo.
Đá chạy. Đây là những thần nó vào trời rất là chưa là trời chứ là nồi chứ là vung trông cạn như mòn có cây lá cũng màu đen và là tâm trời nên là trải qua thời gian cái cối già và có phải chết đi thì đoán rồi chúng ta xây lên cái nhà này bé trên mặt đất cũng màu đen và chúng ta thêm 1 tuổi cứ thế này nó thêm ra cái khác của trời nó đến thời gian của ta nó không ngừng. Nêu. Hello.
Yeah.
Đây nêu. Nêu. A B C này.
Letters in there.
A B C này. Quay trên nào? Chính đầu. Đây là vuốt xà.
Yeah.
Vuốt xà.
Wow.
Vuốt xà.
Water?
Vuốt xà. Người này châu có người này có tiền chưa? Vuốt xà.
Water?
Vuốt xà.
Watch.
Water.
Water.
It's muddy. Apparently water comes through here. So that's why there's a lot of mud. I think this might be the most ratchet thing I've ever done and most unsafe. This is the amazing guy who just took us through his cave. I don't know how he did that. He knew how to get around in pitch black. Thank you. Thank you. That was the most ultimate cave experience ever. I have no idea what he said though. He didn't speak a single word of English. Oh, the dreadful part.
Imagine you actually thought it was grass. Just like it's water.
Back it up. Back it up. He's leaving me. Haha, JK. Huh? Oh my god, you're burnt. You're so red. Every day here at 7 p.m. at the Airbnb, they have a family dinner with the Airbnb. If you want to opt in, it's 120,000 Vietnamese dong per person.
It's over one day. Oh my god.
And we're late.
I'm starving. So hungry.
It's so peaceful. I'll sleep in here.
You want to sleep in here?
Yeah.
The cave monster gonna get you if you sleep in here.
There's no such thing as cave monsters.
Yes, there is. The cave monsters are real.
Who's that, you?
Oh my god, I'm gonna pee. My bladder. Yeah.